Hello, it's Thursday the 12th of October and this is last night's Thunderball result. I only got two numbers and the question is, how could I have predicted the numbers that came out? Well, let's have a look at where they were on the chart before the draw. That's where they were. The numbers that I got, 16 and 29. You can see why. 16 most overdue, and 29 one of the most outstanding numbers. I'll show you why. That's why. Machine number 6 most frequent, slightly more overdue than all the other numbers, so that's why I picked 29. And if we look, it was machine number 6 that was used and set of balls number 4. So let's have a look at how that's changed. See, that's machine 6, set of balls number 4, that's what the chart looks like. That's where the numbers were on that chart. So you can see 29 was most overdue for its frequency, and that's where the other numbers were on that chart. So if we look at other numbers paired with 29, look at all machines and sets of balls, that's where the numbers were. So you can see 39 one of most overdue. Let's come out with 29. If you look at the chart for 16, that's where the numbers were. And we're just looking at a set of balls number 4 as well on that. So if we look at all sets of balls with 16, that's where the numbers were. If we look at machine number 6, that's where they were on that chart with 16. Look at numbers with 29 and machine number 6, that's where they were. So it's kind of difficult to come up with any explanations why 4, 20, 39 came out with 16 and 29, which was the most overdue for its frequency. That's where they were on that chart. And 14, the Thunderball. It's just there, right in the middle. So if we narrow it down to just those two machines that we used, that's what the chart for that looks like. And just those 4 sets of balls. So back on that chart again. And that's where the numbers were. So if we just look at the Thunderball, see that's what it looks like for the current trend, and that's where 14 was. Look at just machine number 6, there's 14 in the middle, and if we look at just set of balls number 4, there's 14 with machine number 6. If we look at all machines, second most frequent. Apart from that, don't really have much of an explanation. If we look at where Thunderball 14 was on the chart for main number 29, it was kind of overdue. We set a balls number 4 as well. If we look at machine number 6, most recent as well with that one, kind of overdue with main number 16. So maybe those are some of the possible reasons why these numbers came out. So to predict the numbers for the next draw, based on the current trend, let's have a look what that chart looks like now. Now that the most recent combination has been drawn. Okay, that's what it looks like now. So as you can see, 32 most overdue for its frequency, as well as 22. Thunderball number 8 most overdue. Number 3 most frequent. If we look at just machine number 6, you can see Thunderball number 8 is much more overdue. That's where all the main numbers are. If we look at just machine number 5, number 8 sort of in the middle. Number 12 most overdue for its frequency is the Thunderball with machine number 5, and that's where the main numbers are. You can see number 6 is most overdue for its frequency and also the most overdue in machine number 5. Doesn't look like they're using machine number 5 anymore, because in the last 8 draws it's been machine number 6. So maybe they're not going to use it. They might change to a different machine. So considering that it seems to be only machine number 6 that they're using, I would go for Thunderball number 8. And with number 8 as the Thunderball, the chart looks very tiny like that, so kinda difficult to see anything interesting there. So basically I'm just going to stick with the same numbers that I've been putting on and see what happens with that. So that concludes this video. Subscribe for the next one. Bye for now.